Our engineers have spent more than a year developing a solution that helps provide a fresher, cleaner dishwasher for your home. We're pleased to introduce the GE Profile UltraFresh System Dishwasher with Microban Antimicrobial technology. Simply activate the UltraFresh System button and a cycle memory will engage, keeping your dishwasher fresh cycle after cycle. It also features exclusive technology that is built into high usage touch points of the dishwasher, including the handle, control panel, rack handles, and other high contact surfaces.
Our first solution focuses on draining the system that works in conjunction with the filters that are treated with Microban antimicrobial technology. This exclusive GE Profile UltraFresh system is made up of smart sensors that continuously monitor the conditions inside your dishwasher between wash cycles. To keep your dishwasher clean, the innovative UltraFresh system drains the stagnant water that collects all of your food remnants, that old cereal milk and whatever else might have collected in the basin, and refills it with fresh, clean water.
Next, we keep the inside dry. The UltraFresh system continuously pulls air into the dishwasher. Our smart sensors engage a fan to refresh the interior, reducing moisture, which is one of the causes of odor in the dishwasher.
The defense solution of this dishwasher is the incorporation of an innovative Microban antimicrobial technology. This is built into product surfaces during the manufacturing stage to continuously help prevent the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. When microbes like bacteria or fungi come into contact with the Microban treated surface, their key life systems are attacked and shut down. This helps to prevent their growth on the surface.
With a simple solution to drain, dry, and defend, this is smarter cleaning.